Hey everybody, it's your boy Cooper Cows here to show you of the Wiggles Hot Pop Popcorn 2009 Australia booklet. So, same front, there's no ABCV kit in the bottom and classification. So let's take a look. We got the same font menu as this. Got Anthony, Mari, Jeff, Sam, and Captain Feathersword in the background. We got this all song and list. 18 songs. Here's all the song for promo photo shoot from the song. Pretty neat. Here's the all and the end credits. And here's a Wiggle Time website. So yeah, we got cartoon and the back. Same back as DVD. So yeah. So that's pretty much it from the Wiggles Hot Pop Popcorn 2009 Australia booklet. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace out. Goodbye.